Alright, welcome back. So in this video we're going to talk about color lookup. So let's turn off the channel mixer effect and let's click on color lookup. Okay, so what you can do here is you can load a whole bunch of different color lookups, right? So we can click on abstract. I don't have any for that. Device link, I don't have any for that either. So if you look up these different effects, so I'm going to do each one. So the two-stripe look, you see how the image changes there. The three-stripe look, the bleach bypass look, okay, the candlelight cube, okay, crisp warm, crisp winter, drop blues, edgy amber, fall colors, film stock, foggy night, okay, Fuji Antarana 250D Fuji 3510 by Adobe. This one's by Adobe as well. This is 2393. Very cool. So you can see all the different color lookups you can do, where if you just give it this color lookup, it's going to give it this effect by default. Okay, so I'm just going to go through each one just to show you what that'll look like. Light sun, that's cool. Moonlight, night from day, soft, warming look. This is tension green, teal orange plus contrast. Out of all of them, I like this one the best. So I'm going to save that one, hit Control S, and that is color lookup. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.